Hello and welcome to PetXI Interactive, your home to GCSE revision on the go. In this maths burst, we're going to be looking at stem and leaf diagrams. Don't worry, you can put your science textbook away as we aren't looking at how plants grow or anything like that. Although maths is all around us, we are leaving the daisies in the garden. This topic is quite simple once you understand what's going on. You just need to put some figures into a chart in a special, magical way. Let's look at this question. Complete this stem and leaf diagram for the weight of food in kilograms I ate in each of the past 10 days. 4.1, 3.2, 3.6, 3.6, 4.5, 2.8, 2.9, 3.7 and 3.8. You may be given a template for your diagram like this, or you may have to draw one from scratch. First of all, look at what the numbers start with. It's either 2, 3 or 4. So these are our stems and we can write them down here. Let's now look at the numbers that begin with 2. Circle them. Double check to make sure you have got them all. Because we already have the 2 as a stem in the diagram, we don't need to keep writing the 2. Instead, we just need to write the next numbers, the 8 and then the 9 like this. These are our leaves. Make sure you write the leaves in size order, then cross them off. Now circle all the numbers that start with a 3. As before, we don't need to write the 3 again in 3.2, we just write the 2. Then just a 6 for 3.6 and so on. So the row has 2, 6, 6, 7 and 8. Let's cross these out as well so we know that we've done them. Now circle all the numbers that start with a 4. For 4.1 and 4.5, we'll just write 1 and then 5. That's the diagram almost done. Double check that all the numbers in each row are in order, as you will drop marks if they are not. Now to complete the diagram. What? You think it's already complete? Not quite. In order to get full marks, you must include a key. If someone sees your stem and leaf diagram, they won't know what the numbers like 2, then 6 mean. It could mean 26, it could mean 206 or 2.6. So a key is used to clear things up. So give an example like 2.6 means 2.6 kilograms, and that's the key sorted. Don't worry about what numbers you choose for your key as long as it is correct. So that's how to draw your own stem and leaf diagram. Now sometimes you may be given a completed stem and leaf diagram and be asked to work out some things. Stem and leaf diagrams are useful as it makes it easy to work out things like modes, medians and the range. If you have forgotten what these mean, have a look at our video on averages. Here is a completed diagram and some questions. The stem and leaf diagram shows a number of students that slapped my bald head each day last month. A, find the mode, B, work out the range, and C, find the median. For part A, recall that to find the mode, we're looking for the most common value. Even though there are 4 6s, it is not the most common value because they are spread out. We are looking at specific rows. Notice that there are 3 2s here in the 3rd row. This is the most common number in the row and no other rows have more than 3 identical numbers. Be careful though, as you must include the stem part as well in the answer, which is 3. Make sure you use the key correctly as it tells you how the stem and leaves are linked. You can see from the key that the stem number represent tens and the leaves represent units. Therefore, a 3 followed by a 2 will mean 32 students. Boy, do I get slapped a lot on my head. It's very slappable though, isn't it? For part B, recall that the range is the biggest value minus the smallest value. The biggest value will always be made up of the last leaf in the last row with its stem. In this case, this is a 7 here, which along with the stem of 3 makes 37 students. The smallest value will always be the first digit in the first row along with its stem number. So we'll use this 2 here along with the stem of 1 to make 12. So the biggest value minus the smallest value is 37 minus 12, which makes 25 students. For part C, recall that the median is in the middle. It will be the middle value in the entire diagram. To find this value, first cross off the first leaf here and then the last leaf here. Then the second leaf, then the second to last, and continue in this manner until you only have one leaf left. If you are left with 2 leaves, just think about what would be between them. This leaves us with a leaf of 5 here, which has a stem of 2, giving 25 students as the median. Right then, that's how to deal with stem and leaf diagrams. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next exciting instalment of PETXI Interactive Maths.